Gonna make a chicken feeder with this broken water bottle and this bucket here, and I'm gonna be cutting the this part of the bucket off because it's all broken up. But inside here I've got this piece, which of course you can't see it, but it's a 3-inch piece of PVC, and it's 5¼ inches tall. There's 3 tabs at the bottom, so each of those are 1 inch each, and then to the middle of that circle there, which is 1 inch or 1.125" in my case, because that was the smallest hole saw hole drill bit I had, and then it's 2 3/4 to the center of that hole from the bottom, and that's going to go inside the bucket in the middle. And I'm just working on got to cut this water bottle. Got my line drawn out. I want it below the lip a little bit because I'm going to put a plastic lid on this, and I'm going to cut it with my I think I'm going to go with 5 holes in my bucket for my feeder. So what I've done is I just took 360, which is in a circle over here, divided it by 5, and it gives you 72 degrees. So each of these angles is 72 degrees, and I just took my speed square, picked the center point, put it there, and then find 72, make a mark. Then you go back, once you made that line, you come over here, you find your 72 up there, you make another mark, draw another line, and you just do that all the way around, and then each one of these angles should be 72 degrees. And then I took the bucket, figured out what the halfway mark of the bucket is, what it's, and then I made a mark here, and there's another one up there, but you really only need 2 to line your bucket up. And then if you set your bucket here on these marks, which I know are hard to see, then all you have to do is measure up however far you're going to measure up and make your hole. I used a 5-inch measurement on my water because the water will come out. I don't think that's going to happen with the feed, so I'm probably going to drill that hole up 4½ inches on here, and I'll just go around all these, go up 4½ inches and make a mark and drill my holes. And there you go, 4½. You can kind of see the gold. It's a little different color than the green, so it'll be easy to spot where to hole. Then I drill a pilot hole. There you go, the last hole's drilled out. So now you have 5 pretty much equally distant holes. there's that. Okay, got everything together now. Let's see, cut off water bottle. This is 11 and a quarter inches, the height of this water bottle. It stands upright, so 11 and a half inches. And you've got this part here, which I think I've already showed that, but there that is again. And then I got the 5 holes are in the bucket now, and I had to sand those down because they're a little rough. And the handle, that one is centered under the handle, and the only thing left to do is put some feed in it, slap the top back on. So I'll go get some feed. We'll see what happens to the feed in the hole. Okay, time to pour some food in here and see what happens. I think they can get to that. Okay, it's time to put the lid back on and then just stick this over to the chickens and see if they eat out of it.